Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system, or specific area messaging code. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Now for the official.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The preceding signal is a test of the public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area originating from Ruskin, Florida. This is also a test of the same system or specific area messaging code. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming. Your coastal waters forecast for the Cape.